Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys doing well today. So as you guys see by the title, girl, we have a foundation review. So this foundation here is from L'Oreal, and this is the True Match Nude foundation, and this is it here. We're just gonna try it out to see how it looks on our dry skin. Hopefully that I got the right shade, and you guys know I never find my right shade yet, but this is the shade Deep, which is 810. Let's just see how it looks. Okay, so this is it. A little bit watery, but we'll see how it looks on my dry skin. So this is pretty new on the Ulta website. They have 10 shades available. The darkest shade is Very Deep, which is 10 to 12. This retail for $20. I had a coupon, girl. So hopefully the $20 live up to her name, because if she not work good, she going right back to the store. Hyaluronic Tinted Serum, the first tinted serum with 1% hyaluronic acid. It instantly brightens, even, and hydrates all in one. Sounds good. It's also luminous mineral pigments to brighten complexion, radiant shade that blends to match a variety of skin tone. They only have 10 reviews and everybody likes it. So we'll see. I'm not sure if this is a medium coverage or full coverage. I'm going to be using my acne primer. I'm going to use this. This is from e.l.f. This is it right here. But since this fight acne, I'm going to put it right where I'm breaking out. I have a pimple that's coming right up by my nose there. So I don't know if it's the heat, but... So how you guys been doing? I miss sitting down doing makeup. So I hope you guys been doing well and everything is been going really good on your side. For me, girl, I've been like really busy with school and just, you know, trying to get my life together. You know how it is. Most of the makeup I see coming out, I'm really not into them. I'm not into eyeshadows anymore. Like, I give away like half of my makeup. I'm just over it. So I just keep what I like, and the rest I give it to my friends. And this is how it looks, girl. Oh, it's watery, girl. This is so watery. So you have to be careful. I'm gonna scoop some, and I'm gonna do one side first. I'm gonna do this side right here. So I don't know, it's kind of look on the reddish side. I gotta go back online and see what undertone is this, but definitely this is too red. Oh my gosh, I thought this would have worked. Ah, that's okay. I'm gonna make that work. Hopefully that is not, you know, you don't oxidize, but I see that little glow there. I really like that. This is very watery. I don't smell any like fragrance or anything. It just said that it's fragrance free. You know, it don't oxidize. So far it's just, you know, it looks okay. I'm gonna try to build it up a little bit, like put more. All right, so this is what it looks on this side here. It's a little bit watery, so you have to like really be careful. I'm not sure what coverage I'm getting yet, but as you guys see, like the shade itself is not my shade. I really thought this one would have worked. I didn't want to go lighter and then it was too light, but I'm just gonna work with it. I'm not gonna bring it down. I'm gonna put powder there. All right, so this is what it looks on this side. You could tell the difference. That is definitely not my shade, but I'm gonna work with it. You know, I'm gonna just put a little lighter powder on top. It's really soft on the skin and it blends out really nice. And this is definitely a medium coverage, because I think this is enough. She don't really look that bad. I like it. I do like it. I like this. Even though it's too dark for me, I like how it feels on the skin. It's not heavy, really not cakey at all. If you guys could see, I really do like the coverage. It looks really good, right? So to lighten everything up, since this is too dark, I'm going to be using my Age Rewind concealer. This is golden and this is from Maybelline. I'm just going to take it and put it right there. All right, I really liking how it looking with this concealer. Like, you're looking really, really good. I'm gonna go in with a different shade, Age Rewind, and this is tan. I'm just gonna put that right in the middle there. The first one is a little light, that's fine, but this one is gonna bring down the brightness a little bit. It has a little yellow undertone. But once everything is settled into the skin, it's gonna look better. And I'm gonna use my powder. Like, I've been using the same thing over and over again because I just like these products. I am so sorry. And I'm not buying any more products like setting powders. I think they all does the same thing. I'm not buying anymore. I have like too much in my stash already. Contour really fast. I'm gonna use this from, this is here is from Makeup Revolution. I'm just gonna lightly contour a little bit because this foundation is a little on the red side, so I don't want it to look too red. And that's all I'm gonna do. And next we're gonna go in with the Fenty powder. The Fenty powder here. This is a matte powder and this is a shade 410. So the foundation is looking a little bit much better with other products. Like, it really don't look that dark as before. So putting other products on top of it, it does help. But I'm gonna see if I get my right shade for this because I really do like the coverage. I could work around with darker shades, but I just rather have my actual shade. Then I don't have to go back and forth and do all of this. It's just like a lot of work for me. So I'm just going over with the powder on top of here, so you know it's not gonna be too light. And all I'm doing, I'm just like pressing the powder in the skin. I'm not brushing it off, just pressing everything in. All right, she don't look that bad, right? It's definitely a medium coverage that I'm getting. I actually do like it. This is it here. It's still a little too red on this side. You have difference on my neck and my face. Let me just bring down the powder a little bit here. And this powder is like perfect. It's a perfect match. It's not even red or anything. It's just a perfect match for my skin. This is one of the reasons this is why I really like this this foundation powder. Blush I have on my table right now, so I'm gonna use it because I'm not getting up. So we're just gonna go in with City Color Be Matte Blush. This is a shade Hibiscus. Now give my face a little color, girl. Like, look how nice this foundation looking, girl. I just wish I had got a little bit more coverage around the lips. It feels so radiant on the skin. Like, I actually love it. Look how everything is looking now. Before, you see how it was like all over there, girl. This is a Glass Glow Fix Revolution spray. Let's just see. As soon as I put the spray, it starts separating right there. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry down on its own because I start using the sponge and then it starts separating right there. Now try to hide that line right there. So this is how the foundation looks. I am in love with this foundation. It looks so good, okay? So the only thing I'm disappointed, price point, I think $20 for a drugstore product is too much. I think it's a great foundation for dry skin, natural finish. I'm gonna try to see if I could get the tan shade, which I think is 7 to 8. This one is 8 to 10, and most of the reviews that I read online, they are complaining about the undertone, which is a little bit too dark, and I'm having that problem as well. It does oxidize a little bit, but the powder works really good. You see how it looks? It not look bad. You see that little glow over there, girl? She look pretty, right? I do like this foundation. It's very good for dry skin. It's a medium coverage. It looks really, really pretty. They did say it's undetectable, and they are right. It looks really good. It didn't settle into the fine lines at all. I have a little wrinkle under the eyes, that's about it. But all over, it looks good. This provides a very lightweight coverage. It is buildable because I put enough to get a medium coverage, but you don't have to. It glides on really smooth. Like, I was very surprised that this foundation is really smooth. There's no smell. Okay, that's one thing that I like about this. Again, there's no fragrance smell. Just an overall beautiful finish. It just look really, really good. Still has the benefit of skincare, so I think this is the reason why I like it so much as well. And this gives a nice glow, and I think anyone could wear this foundation oily to dry skin. It looks really good, especially when you put your product on top of it. It just complements everything as well. On camera it looks really good because I'm looking at myself right there, and girl, she look good. It does oxidize a little bit because I'm looking at my face and my chest, and you could tell, like, in real life it's really dark, but on camera it looks perfect, but it's not. Unfortunately. First foundation from the drugstore that I like, the Tinted Serum. Okay, the others I've been trying out, I don't like them. They're just not for me. This is one of the best ones I've tried out this year, and I'm impressed. So get it, try it out. Let me know what you guys think about the product. We have a goal that we want to reach 5,000 subscribers at the end of the year, so hopefully we could reach that goal. So to help me reach that goal, guys, please share and like the video, and also subscribe to the channel as well if it's your first time here. Okay, if you guys want to follow me on my other social media platform, I have everything listed down below. Let me know what you guys think. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.